Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I want to do a quick video. I went to boostmobile.com and right now they're offering a deal where you can get a first month of service for $12.50 and they'll send you a SIM card and it's an unlimited plan. So the regular price, I believe, after the $12.50 period is over is $25. So that's still not bad for unlimited. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look here and see what's inside the package here. So I ordered a couple days ago and I got here like in 2 days. So here we go. Here it is. Boost Mobile, best value in wireless, SIM card activation kit. All right, so, well, it's a pretty big packaging here. Let's go ahead and peel this off. All right, let's take this off here. Take this off. Let's pull out the SIM card. Here's a SIM card. Now you can also use an eSIM. I prefer the physical cards better myself. And it comes with a SIM ejection tool, so that's good. It's always important to have one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and take this out. Take out the SIM ejection tool. And I'm going to go ahead and put it inside my Samsung S21 Fan Edition. I'm not sure if there's a SIM card in here or not. We're going to go ahead and pull this out. There's nothing there. Now we're just going to go ahead and put this in here. Pop this out of there. And let's go ahead and get this thing out. All right, here. And let's go ahead and align this the correct way here. Make sure that everything is aligned properly. All right, I believe it goes in like that. You go ahead and push this in. All right, just like that. All right, and let's go ahead and let's see. Let's turn off the Wi-Fi. Let's see if it detected it. All right, now let's see what happens here. So it's got 5G already. Unknown number. All right, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and register the number, and I'm gonna go ahead and look through these instructions here. It'll tell you exactly what you need to do. So I'll be right back. All right, so it says here that what you need to do is you need to go to the boostmobile.com welcome and activate it from there. So you can do it from this device or you can do it from another device. I'm going to go ahead and do it from here. Just going to turn on the Wi-Fi and tells me to restart and switch. Okay, we're going to go ahead and restart and switch that first. And then when that's restarted, we're going to go ahead and proceed with the activation. All right, so the phone's loading up here. And let's give it a second. Now you can do it from a laptop. You can do it from another device if you have one to speed up the process, or you could just wait until your current phone's loaded and then just use your current connection Wi-Fi. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing booted up. All right, so the phone's booted up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and access the website here. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to go to Boost Mobile. Let me go ahead and get this thing. Boostmobile.com and then /welcome. And here we go. So just go through here and it's going to prompt us where to activate. So right here you see what says activate. We're going to go ahead and do that. Now you're probably going to need this SIM card here just because you're going to need the number for the SIM card here. So, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and put the phone number or email. I don't have a phone number yet, but I'm going to use my email. And then after I'm done with that, I think I'm going to go proceed with the next step. All right, so I put my email in here. So let's see what it says. All right, verify your code. So I have to go back to my email. And I'm going to use my other phone here just because it's a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and resend the code here because I haven't received it yet. So resend the code. Send the code. All right, still waiting. So give it some time. I'm still waiting for the code to pop up here. So All right, that's actually, here it goes, Dish Wireless. Here we go, mobile code. All right, so I got the code here. Let's go ahead and type this code in. Okay. All right, so that's my older code. So now I have to go look at the newer one, show the newer one. So I send me another code. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Let's just type in the new code here. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Sometimes they'll send you two codes at the same time, so if one doesn't work, do the second one. All right. And so here we are. Enter your password. I'm going to create one and go ahead and do that. Give me a second. Sorry, guys. 1 second here. All right. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we're doing that. Still loading. Save the password. We won't do that. We'll do that later. Okay, so now what? I think, okay, so, and here's my phone number that they gave me. All right, so no subscription available to activate. Line 1. Now, if we look down here, my next due date is going to be April 22nd for $25.56. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to have to reboot it so that the entire device can be loaded properly and see if the service works. All right, guys, I'm back. So let's go ahead and just dial a random number. If anybody knows a random number, let's go ahead and dial Metro PCS. I believe it's like 18888. And let's see, whatever it is. Metro MTRO. And then I think this is the number. Let's just dial it and see what it says. All right. Call ended. So let's just dial another number, even if it works or not. Just see if it's going to do something. All right, so it is working. I don't even know whose phone number this is. I'm just dialing like a random number. This used to be my old number, my old house number. So I'm just dialing it just in case it still works.
We're sorry. You have reached a number that
But it's disconnected, but at the same time, we know that the service is activated. Now, a good thing to do now is to go to speed test. And let's test the network speed. All right, Boost Mobile and VNO. Now, I think Boost Mobile now has transferred to the T-Mobile network. So this is so you can use a GSM phone. Wow, look at that, man. Holy crap. This destroys my Cricket Wireless. Look at that. Look at the speed, guys. Did you see that? That is amazing. The download speed is incredible. The upload speed is whatever. But that download speed, look at that. 389 megabytes per second. That is definitely worth it. So I was telling my wife I might have to get her one of these too. And you can do a family share plan, two lines for $50 a month. It's not bad. Now, I don't know if they, if once you go over a certain amount of, gigabytes, if they're going to go ahead and, lower your data speeds, because they do that a lot of times when you go over a certain threshold. But for now, I think this is pretty damn good. So for 300, what was it? Let's go ahead and take a look at that again. Let's see, speed again. Let's go ahead and look at the history here, results. Look at that, 389, 11.7. I mean, you can't beat that at all. That is pretty good, guys. So anyways, I hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions, just go down to boostmobile.com and you can see that they have this, deal right now. Let's go ahead and just go back to boostmobile.com and I'll show it to you guys what I'm talking about. Look at that, $12.50. So for the first month, hey, I'm not going to go ahead and cry about it. That's nothing. That's virtually nothing. And once you get this, they actually ask you if you want to add another line for $9.99. So I kind of wanted to test the waters and see how this worked for now. And then if I decide I want to get another SIM card, then I can do the, I'll rather pay just the extra $12.50. So anyways, guys, I hope this helps. Until next time, stay blessed. Don't forget, subscribe down below. Until then, see you soon.